Let's learn how to delete a conversation inside of the Google AI Studio as well as the Gemini Chat Bot app. So let's first make a new chat prompt. So by creating this prompt, you'll notice on the left here under library, I actually have a chat prompt in here of a conversation that I'm currently having. Now, in order to delete it, I have two different ways. Up here in the upper right, there are these three little dots. If we click on it, one of the options is to delete the prompt. So that's the first way to delete it. But since these prompts are actually saved in our Google Drive, we can also delete it from there. If I go to my Google Drive, I have this large language model introduction, which aligns to the title of the conversation that I was having with the AI. To delete this, I can either select it and hit delete, or go to these three dots on the right and then select move to trash. After this is done, if we go back to our Google AI Studio, while we still had this available, if I refresh the page, you'll notice it's no longer in our library, but it's still on our web page. If I click on create prompt, this will go away and I'll be selecting a new prompt. Now, what about the Gemini Chatbot app? If I start a conversation here, I can go over to the left, click on these three dots, and the option here is to delete, and it will automatically delete this conversation. I then get prompted with an "Are you sure?" message, and yes, I'm sure. I'm gonna delete it. Now, there is one thing to note here. If you click on these three dots and you don't see this delete button, it probably means that your account is a Workspace account. As of the time of this recording, we can't actually delete these chats in a Workspace account. For some reason, Google hasn't implemented that yet, and I don't know why. But that is how you delete a chat, conversation, or prompt inside of the Google AI Studio, as well as the Gemini chatbot.